Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to sell your ebooks on Facebook Marketplace step by step, even if you have never sold any digital products online before. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you want to try any of the tools that I have mentioned here in this video for yourself, you can just use my affiliate link in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser in your PC or laptop. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for facebook.com. Once you are here on facebook.com's website, you just have to log in here with the help of your already created Facebook account. If you don't have a Facebook account, make sure that you create one in order to access your Facebook dashboard. Now over here on the Facebook dashboard of yours, in the left hand side, you will see the option of marketplace. So when you click on the option of marketplace, you are going to see a bunch of different today's picks. So let's just briefly understand what is Facebook marketplace before hopping on how you can start selling your ebooks here. So Facebook marketplace is an online selling platform that is built into Facebook where people usually buy and sell the products locally or digitally. Although most of the listings are for the physical items, there are many creators and authors now use it to promote and sell their digital products like the ebooks. The key here is to set up your listing correctly, use the clear description, and handle the delivery safely. Now, once you know what is Facebook Marketplace, you need to first of all prepare your ebook because that is our main product. So here, in order to create your ebook, you can either use ChatGPT for it, and then you can start designing your ebook here with the help of Canva. So let me show you how you can use both of these. So first of all, you need to set up your free account here on canva.com. Once you come here on Canva, you just have to search for the ebooks here in the search bar. Once you search for it, you will find a bunch of different ebook templates over here. So you can click on any one of these and start customizing it for your own ebooks. Or you can also select the option of create a blank page, and then you can start designing the ebook inside. Over here, you can go to the designs section. You can take a look at the ebooks with multiple pages. Then you can choose any one of these and it will be added over here just like so. Now the best part about Canva is that if you go to the design section and if you select the option of styles here in the top right hand corner, if you click on any of the color palettes that are given over here, it is going to be applied on your ebook instantly, and basically it will create a different effect for yourself. So you can also choose this design or this style type of trick and create something which is different from Canva but yet very easy. So here, once you have created your ebook, you can design the cover pages of your ebooks with the help of Canva too. For the content, you can use ChatGPT. You can come here on ChatGPT and create your free account. Over here, you can give ChatGPT any of the topics on which you want to create the ebooks. Like if you want to create the ebook on motivating other people, so you can write something like how to motivate other people and give me the context of ebook on this topic. So you can write something like this and it is going to give you the complete outline of your ebook. So you can also use ChatGPT for creating your product and designing your books and the cover pages on Canva. Now, whatever you have designed here on Canva, you need to download it in the form of PNG on your device. So once we have our product ready, we need to just go to the Facebook Marketplace again and explore some of the other options that it provides. Now, when you come here, you will notice that there is no payment method available. It is because Facebook Marketplace doesn't directly deliver the digital products, so you will need to manage the payments yourself. You can use any of the trusted payment options like PayPal, Stripe, or UPI if you are living in India or in the region where UPI is acceptable. You can mention your preferred payment method clearly in the product description so that your buyers know how to complete the purchase. And you need to always confirm your payments before sending the ebooks to avoid any kind of scams. Now, once you are here on this page and you click on the option of marketplace, simply select the option of create new listing. Over here, it will ask you whether you want to sell any item, you want to sell a vehicle, or you want to sell or rent your home. So since our ebook comes in the item section, we are going to select the option of items for sale. Now it is going to show you this type of section in front of you where you just have to start giving the information about your listing. The first thing that you see here is of adding the photos. So simply click on the option of add photos, select the paper or the cover that we have downloaded from our Canva account and upload it over here. After that, you just have to give the description of your ebook. So select the topic of your ebook. Then in the price section, simply enter the price for your ebook. Then click on the option of category. It is going to give you a bunch of different categories. So you can select the best one that is going to basically represent your book. So here, since my book is relating to motivation, so I'm going to be selecting something in the hobbies. So after selecting the categories, you can select the conditions, if any. So whether you can select whether it is a new item, used item, in the good condition or in the fair condition. So it is a new item, so I'm going to be selecting new. After that, you can provide other details too, like the decor style, the country of origin, the time period, the material of this particular book. So you can select the material. Then in the description, as I've told you earlier, you need to add the payment method options clearly so that the other person uh, could know how do you want to get the payment. So once you have added all of the details over here, you just have to click on the option of publish. Now you must be wondering that we haven't uploaded our file over here, right? So Facebook Marketplace doesn't allow you to upload any kind of digital files. You will need to deliver your ebook manually after the buyer pays you. So once the payment is confirmed from his end, you can send him the ebook via their email address, Google Drive, or Dropbox. So you need to make sure that the link is set to view only if you are sending the email drive to protect your content. You can also keep a simple record of who purchased and when for your own tracking. Buyers are also going to contact you with the help of Facebook Messenger, so you can reply quickly and be polite and answer any of the questions that they have about your ebook. So this way you will be able to build ebooks from the scratch and you can start selling them here on the Facebook Marketplace. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.